Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to show you how I make my 5-cheese baked mac and cheese. Marzette, you asked for it, and Miss Thing, here it is, big baby. Listen, look at how nice and golden that melted cheese on top is. Oh my gosh, y'all, melted to perfection. Now when you dig into it, it's gonna be nice and cheesy. Ooh, child. Okay, so I'm about to show you how we make this cheesy goodness. It's easy, simple, ain't nothing to it but to do it. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, go ahead and get you a pot. You want to season your water, okay? Aggressively season your water anytime you are cooking pasta. Season it aggressively. I use chicken bouillon just to add a little bit more flavor to the noodles, but typically I use sea salt. Use whatever you want, okay? Go ahead and bring your water to a rumbling boil, just like you see here. You're gonna cook that pasta until it's al dente, about 7 to 10 minutes. Go ahead and taste your pasta. If it's under done, then go ahead and boil it for a few more minutes. But if it's overdone and it's soft and mushy, you've already messed up. You need to start over, okay? Drain your noodles out, and then I put my noodles back in the pot that I cooked them in because it's easier to stir and mix everything. I went ahead and cut up a stick of butter into small cubes just so the butter would melt in that hot pasta while it was still hot. I went ahead and added my pepper, and I did add a pinch more salt to that. Now I'm going to start with my first layer of cheese, which is the Velveeta cheese. I went ahead and cut it up into small cubes and added it to the pasta while it was still hot. Now I want to cool that pasta down just a tad bit, so I'm going to use my other ingredient, sour cream. Yes, you heard me correctly. I add sour cream into my mac and cheese, okay? Don't come for me because trust me, people don't even know and they love it. All right, mix that around. Now that the pasta has cooled down a little bit, I can add my 2 eggs. Go ahead and stir the eggs around. You don't want to add it to the pasta while it's still hot because you don't want it to start scrambling, okay? Ain't nobody trying to make no scrambled eggs up in here. Now I'm going to add my second thing of cheese, which is white cheddar. I don't know what happened to the clip, but I added Munster cheese after that. And now I'm adding my Colby Jack cheese, and then I'm going to top it off with my mild cheddar cheese. You guys, there is not a right or wrong way to do this as far as what cheese you add. You can go buy whatever cheese is on sale and make you some mac and cheese. It could be 1 cheese, it could be 3 cheese, 4 cheese, 5 cheese. It don't matter. Just make it good and cheesy, okay? Now I'm gonna go ahead and pour everything into my baking pan. Most people butter their baking pan, and that's fine. I never do because I just feel like with all the oils and grease that's in the cheese, it really don't need that. But you know, do whatever makes you happy. Now I'm gonna go ahead and top that with more shredded cheese. You guys, I have hand grated this cheese because to me it melts so much better. But you can also do the pre-shredded cheese as well from the store. Look at that, y'all. I went ahead and baked this on 400 for about 45 minutes, and oh my God, it came out cheesy perfection. When I say this is always a hit, I'm always asked to make the mac and cheese for all the little cookouts or potlucks, you guys. Everybody loves it, and it is so good. Let me know if you try it. Do not forget, if you like this content, please click that subscribe button, click that notification button, click that like, and go ahead and share it, okay? Again, please subscribe, and I just want to thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoy.